in the future. And what they say is that our planet, Earth, the only planet we have, will be between 5 and 10 degrees Fahrenheit warmer by the end of this century if we do not boldly go forward and transform our energy system away from fossil fuel to energy efficiency and sustainable energy. Boldly, there will be more drought, more serious water problems, there will be more flooding, there will be more extreme weather disturbances, there will be more acidification of the ocean. We are doing incredible damage to the oceans around the world. There will be more rising sea levels, flooding coastal communities all over the world. There will be more international conflict as peoples fight over limited natural resources, water and land, to grow their crops. That is the future we are looking at if we do not have the courage to take on the fossil fuel industry and transform opposition to the Keystone Pipeline was kind of a no-brainer. If you believe in climate change, why in God's earth would you think about supporting the excavation and transportation of some of the dirtiest fossil fuel in the world? That's kind of a no-brainer. The answer is no. We know what we have to do. We know that as a nation we can do so much more in terms of energy efficiency, which is the low-hanging fruit when we talk about energy. Just in my own state, which is a very cold weather state, we have put money into weatherizing people's homes. Their carbon emission has gone down by 50%. Their fuel bills have gone down by 50% because they're now using 50% less fuel. We can do that all over the country. We can do a lot better than having automobiles getting 20, 25 miles per gallon. We can be doing cars to get 50, 100 miles per gallon. We can be moving toward the electrification of our transportation system. We can and should be imposing a tax on carbon. We can move aggressively to solar. We introduced legislation which calls for 10 million solar rooftops. As you all know, the price of solar panels has plummeted in recent years. It is now competitive with other forms of industry. In states like Iowa now, 30–40% of their electricity is coming from wind. We have huge potential with wind. We have huge potential in a lot of sustainable energies. We can